Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all items inside. Next, locate the small damper arm on the right side and detach it. Then, gently push in on both sides of the glove box to release its lower tabs. This will allow the glove box to swing down completely, revealing the filter housing. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see a rectangular plastic cover. This is your cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips, one on each side, that hold this cover in place. Gently unclip these tabs and pull the cover straight off. Now, carefully slide the old filter straight out of its slot. Pay attention to the airflow arrow. Before inserting your new filter, make sure its airflow arrow points in the correct direction, typically downwards. This ensures proper air circulation. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the plastic cover by aligning it and snapping the two retaining clips back into position. Now, it's time to reassemble the glove box. Align the lower tabs of the glove box with their slots and push them in until they click. Reattach the damper arm to the right side of the glove box. Close the glove box and ensure it latches properly. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, perhaps every 15,000 miles, helps maintain good air quality inside your Corolla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.